Hi, homies pala. Hi, homies. Today we went to SM in Miniso, so we found this baby tree. Yeah, it's so cool.
Okay.
I want to get the crying rabbit. It's so cute.
The secret.
Okay, let's open now.
Okay.
Guli siya, liga ko.
Naputan siya, guys.
What the? Nabutol. Ooh, it's so cute. What did you get? Oh my God, it's so cute. Ang laki yan. It's the goat. It's the goat. Patingin. And let's open it. Nasaan? Uy. Ito. Go. Cricket. Ang ganda!
Ayan na.
It's so cute! Teka, tingnan mo. Hindi na ibo. Oh my God, it's still a bag? Hala! What is this? Bag pa? Hindi to bag. Ang ganda. Guys, ang ganda na ako! Ang cute lang sa'yo. Tingnan ko na nga kung lalaki ang sa'yo. Ang cute! Look at this chubby thingies! Ay, yung nakuha ko, ma! I got the goat! Look at this! I got the goat! I got a flying goat. Oh my God, it's so cute. Look at this chubby cheeks.
Kung maintindihan sinasabi ko. Ewan ko ga.
Okay na.
Kailangan dinayo ninyo to.
I can move its eyes.
O yan lang daw binili niya.
Are lang yung binili namin.
Kasama mo.
Binili nyo.
Kasama yung nasa kamay mo.
I love guys. Bye-bye. See you later. Bye-bye, homies.